How do you guys handle yung mga arguments or yung hindi kayo same ng perspective?
Yeah,
Paano
nangyayari
niyo
yan.
hinahandle? How do you handle that? Especially between you and your parents and ano yung
Mm.
difference between you and your parents and then between you and yung mga kapatid mo? Paano niyo hinahandle yung differences niyo, yung magkakaiba kayo ng perspective? Paano kayo nagka-come to a middle ground or come to a conclusion?
Ah, ano eh, weird yung dynamic na yun. Mainly, may times na nag-aaway talaga, like discussion na pupunta sa argument. But we let it out. We let it, we let it, fight it out. Ganun. So, parang minsan nagkataasan na yung boses. But hanggang argument lang, ganun siya. Then afterwards, na-let it out na namin yung grievances, yung inis, ganun, or what. It will settle down na. Then we can talk normally again after a few hours. That's it. Like, wag pe-personalin yung mga arguments na ganun. And so on. Of course, unless it's really important, then it might take days para ma-settle down. Pero usually mga arguments, like, it's usually verbal lang na discussions na papakita yung point ng isa, then sometimes mag-i-interject yung ibang family members na, oh, mas tama nga yung point of view nito ng kapatid ko or ng tatay ko or ng mother ko.
Mm,
Ganon.
mm,
Yeah, I think usually ang mga arguments naman is mainly sa pag may mga problems sa paligid, like merong neighbor na may issue,
mm,
ganon. Yeah. Like, oh, may mga napapaaway, ganon. Yeah, those things. Mga ganong bagay lang. Then, of course, money matters. Like, hindi naman ganon kami ka financially well off. Like, especially early days na talagang barely surviving lang kami. Na minsan, we have to humingi na ng food sa tita ko sa kapitbahay namin. Ganun. Yun, mas madalas yung away during that time, but we managed to fend it off.
I see. So would you say na kapag natapos na yung argument, you let things dry down, ganon, tapos nag-uusap na kayo ulit? Or
Mm.
ano ba nangyayari? Like, hindi talaga siya nagiging personal ever. Kumbaga, kung ano lang yung argument, hindi na lumalabas doon, ganon.
Hindi. Unless kung sobrang big, siguro max na 2 days, 3 days. Then afterwards, back to normal na or na-resolve na yung issue. Kasi marirealize namin na yung mga argument na yun is actually just small matters naman pala. Or hindi siya ganun ka-pressing or it will naturally resolve on its own. Gets mo, may mga bagay na inaalala tayo or wino-worry tayo pero hindi naman pala dapat nating alalahanin ng sobra-sobra. Like,
I see.
yeah.
I see. Okay. And